Well, that's the back luggage rack installed. Pretty simple job. I don't love, honestly, I don't love the line on it, but I do ride with a passenger occasionally, and this will just give them a little bit more hand grip, real estate. I also bought a tandem belt, $25 off Amazon, and that gives you give them two handles to hold on to on my waist. But this is a good addition, I think. It's a good safety addition. The install is very simple. 4-hex screws, side panel, as you can see here, 2-hex for the side panel, and then there's a small clip underneath. You just grab this from underneath and it just pops right out. Here's the clip. As you can see it right in there. It's just a small clip. It snaps out. That's it. There's also these small little inserts that fit in here. Hex screw comes off, and the small little inserts that fill this space here, it just pops out. Actually, here's one right here. That's the one for this side. They just pop right out. That's it, man. I mean, use a Loctite, torqued it down to 35 newton meters. That's roughly 25 and a quarter foot-pounds. Put a little extra Loctite on these guys just to snug them. These you don't want to go too. You don't want to torque them too much, man. Just snug them down with a little Loctite, because this is plastic, and this can crack real easy, as you can see. So you want to be gentle there. Just snug it down. It ain't going anywhere. And that's it. The max load on this is suggested at 5 kilograms, 11 pounds. With my back rack on, with my luggage on, I've had much more than that weight, and I've had no problem when I rode my 660. I've opted to just use the. I've opted to just put these little inserts in. I haven't put these in yet, but I will when I remove this sticker. But these are little inserts. I've opted not to use my top bag, my top luggage. I'll probably just use my tail bag on here and lock it in. And that'll give my rider just a little bit of back support. It's not safety back support, but with these handles and a little bit something to just feel behind them, they're not going to slide off. In fact, this is the additional piece that comes. This just bolts in. 4-hex screws, and this just bolts in, allows you to clip in your top luggage. These come separately, so you got to buy them separately. I think it was roughly $250 or so, plus another, I don't know, it was $50-$60 for this thing. But that's what I've opted to do. That's the install. I don't love the look, but I'll deal with it for the additional safety that it does give me. It does come off quite a bit, actually. I don't really love it at all, but it'll work. And that's the install. Real simple, guys. Don't pay a dealer a half hour or 40 minutes or whatever he's going to charge you to put this thing on. This is like real easy stuff. So have a great day. Be safe riding. And summer's here, man. Loving it. And have a great day. Bye.